In this video tutorial, we are going to look at how we convert a decimal to a fraction and a fraction to a percentage. Okay, let's go. This is question 5a, taken from an 11 plus maths past paper. It's applicable, okay, for all levels of maths, ranging from Key Stage 1 right the way through to GCSE 9 to a Maths Higher Foundation. But these questions, yeah, I'd say is more appropriate and applicable for GCSE Foundation, Tier, okay, and Functional Skills Maths. So write 0.427 the fraction. Now, the best way here, to show you this, guys, yeah, I'm going to multiply it by 100, okay, so change it into a percentage first, okay, so times it by 100, so that will give you 42.7%. We all know that percent means out of 100, okay, so it means 100, so that'll be 42.7 hundredths. Okay, now we don't like to have a decimal yet as part of a fraction, so I'm going to multiply top and bottom of this fraction by 10, remove here the decimal point, so that will now become 427, okay, over 1000. So that answer, guys, as a fraction is 427 thousandths, okay. Now the other method here, which I think is slightly more trickier, is knowing your place values, okay, or place value. So 0 is in my units column, 4 is in my tenths column, okay, 2 is in my hundredths column, and then 7 is in my thousandths column, okay, so thousandths. So thousandths means 1,000, okay, so I'll just put TOUS. Yeah, just obviously avoid confusion, okay, so thousandths. Okay, so yeah, that's obviously another way here, but I think base values here can cause obviously a lot of confusion for my students. So the best way is to change it into a percentage by timesing it by 100 and then writing that number or decimal here over 100 and then times top and bottom by a power of 10 to remove the decimal point on the numerator of the fraction. Okay, so multiply here by powers of 10. What about part B, guys? Write 6/20ths as a percentage. So a fraction to a percentage, yeah, I'm going to multiply it by 100. Okay, so essentially 6, it gets times by 100, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to have 6 times 100. Okay, 20ths, or all over 20. So 6 times 100, yeah, makes 600. So we have 600 20ths, which simplifies to 30. Okay, so 600 divided by 20 makes 30, okay, so it's 30%. So a fraction to a percentage, we multiply the fraction by 100, okay? So essentially the numerator gets multiplied here by 100, okay, and the denominator stays fixed. So the denominator remains fixed, okay? Of course, I could have actually simplified this first. So here, obviously both even and bottom by 2, I get 3/10ths. 3/10ths, yeah, as a percentage, yes, which is times it by 100, will give you 30%. Okay, it's the same as here saying 30 hundredths, okay, which is equal to 30%. Okay, so this video here was obviously just recapping and revising and going over here our fraction, decimal, and percentage conversions. Okay, so my advice now, guys, is head over to Corbett Maths, okay, or First Class Maths here, or Hannah Kettle Maths here, and do some practice questions, okay, yeah, on their website, okay, and practice here the conversion between a fraction, decimal, and a percentage, okay, because this is quite important, especially for all levels of maths, okay, from Key Stage 2 Maths Sats, right here through to obviously just seeing, yeah, now to our Maths Higher Foundation, okay, but these questions, yeah, I would say, yeah, is more clear for the foundation, yeah, but the knowledge is still appropriate for higher tier as well, okay, thank you.